Loops going live. Here we go, we're underway. First heat of 13.5 truck. Mike Wright, Robert Mayer, Art Hernandez, Shark, Ralph Lepley, and Arnold Britton in this one. Race number 11, you guys should be in tech. Race 12 should be heading there. 13 should be thinking about it. Shark feeling his car out. Your leaders were Arnold and Robert Bear. They got together. That's going to put Art Hernandez out front.
3 minutes left.
Art tearing through the field. Pass up of the race, last lap, 4.842 for Art Hernandez, your leader. Arnold Britton in that 2 spot. Oh, Art's on his lid.
2 minutes left.
That'll put Arnold Britton to the point. Arnold's out there, orange front, white in the back, number 66. Look at the inside of Ralph. Nice clean pass right there. That's how it's done. Good racing. A little give and take. Ralph said, I'll give you a 1/4 inch. Arnold took it. 125 left in this one. Breeze is picking up. This is about just like the breeze was that came through Hot Rod Hobbies. It dumped inches of rain about an hour ago. My track is underwater. 1 minute left this. Oh, Mike Wright tapping the back wall.
1 minute left.
Art, new quick lap. 2 laps to go. 4.794. On the front. It is clear. Less than 10 seconds on the master clock. We got Arnold, Robert, Art. Your top 3. Master clock is started. Everybody keep on going until we call you done. Keep on racing.
Car 1 is done. Car 4 is done. Car 2 is done. Car 3 is done.
And that's a race. All stop. Taking the win. Arnold, 47 4 flat. Early DQ run, Robert Bear going 46 4 flat, Art 46, Ralph 46, Mike Wright 44.